Welcome back to the channel. I'm Eric and you're watching 4M Ranch. Hopefully, if you've been stuck inside the past week or so, you're able to catch up on some of our videos. And I just wanted to give you an update on where we're at with spring planting and kind of how our winter cover crops are doing. I don't think we're going to get to plant anything as far as it's looking right now. It was drying out quite a bit there for a little while, and we got another inch of rain and then another inch, and we're supposed to get some more tomorrow, and the ground's just way too saturated now, so I don't think we're going to be able to get anything in this month, this spring. And spring storms hadn't even really started yet for us in our area. Most of our rain we get towards the end of this month, which is March, and then into April, and then May we usually get quite a bit. And of course last year we had historic amounts, and that's just how things are going now. But the good news is the cereal rye that we got planted out here in some of the fields is doing really well, and the oats are doing really well despite all the moisture, and the peas really seem to be growing pretty good this year. So I was going to show you guys how it's doing, and we're going to let it grow probably towards the end of the month. It's warmed up quite a bit, and it's really grown a lot the past several weeks. So hopefully by the end of the month we'll be able to bring our cattle up here and start grazing on it. So I'm just going to show you guys what it's looking like right now. So this is the front field of our property, and this is the first time it's had cereal rye planted in it. And this is the field that we did all the sunflowers in, and it was strictly all sunflowers and a little bit of buckwheat, and it's actually doing the best out of every one of the others. So the reason we think it's doing so good is because those sunflower leaves get so big and they put so much carbon back in the soil, and it's really helped this field out. And also this field hadn't been baled for hay in the last probably 5 years, so we've just had it as a small lot. And I'll show you guys this other field, how it's doing. So I still got that other row unit on the drill to fix, but I'm not really in a hurry to do it now since we can't utilize it anyway. So I'll get it finished sometime. But you can see out here how this is probably the best it's grown since we started doing this. You can see kind of in this bare area just how good the peas are doing. They're doing pretty good. Rye. We don't have oats in this pasture, but over the hill we have oats. The turnips survived. They don't really grow like they are supposed to here, but they come back. Some of them grew pretty good size back last fall and made turnips, but then when they come back in the spring they just stem up, make flowers, and make seeds. But they don't get that big. The ones that you might have seen in some of my other videos that got big, there were only a few of them. You can see those, here's a group of them right here. They're stemmed up. They make flowers out here. But anyway, you can kind of see the rows. This part of the field out here is the one we're really having the most issues with getting stuff to grow. But this year it seems like it's doing better as far as the cereal rye growth. Last year it didn't do much good past this spot right here, and then everything over there was kind of non-existent. But this year it looks like it's making a better try growing. So anyway, it's just a little update on the cover crops, a few of you that are interested in it. So after this video, I got kind of a little bit of drone footage flying over, so if you're interested in that, continue watching. But if not, Thank you guys for watching the video, and if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out, and if you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and have a good day.